Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of investing, specifically, a platform many of you have been curious about, Wealthsimple. Now, before we jump in, raise your hand if you've ever felt a little overwhelmed by the whole investing thing. Fees, minimums, account types, it can feel like deciphering a secret code. But fear not, that's where we come in. Because the truth is, investing doesn't have to be a mystery. With the right tools and information, you can take control of your financial future. And that's where Wealthsimple comes in. But here's the burning question you might have: does Wealthsimple have a monthly fee? The answer, like most things in finance, isn't a simple yes or no. Let's break it down. First things first, Wealthsimple offers a variety of features beyond just stock trading. They have a high-interest checking account called Wealthsimple Cash, for example. This account boasts no monthly fees, making it a potentially attractive option for everyday banking. So, for those simply looking for a checking alternative with a little extra earning potential, Wealthsimple Cash seems like a win. But what about investing itself? Here's where things get a tad more nuanced. Wealthsimple offers two main investing options: trade and invest. Wealthsimple Trade allows you to buy and sell stocks and ETFs yourself, similar to a traditional brokerage account. Here's the good news: there are no monthly fees for basic CAD trading. You only pay a commission when you place a trade, which can be appealing for active investors. However, if you're interested in a more hands-off approach, Wealthsimple Invest might be your pick. This is their robo-advisor service, where they build and manage a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and goals. Now, for this convenience, there is an annual management fee. It's a percentage of your invested assets, typically ranging from 0.50% to 0.70% depending on the amount you have invested. This fee is automatically deducted from your account on a monthly basis, so in essence, it functions like a monthly fee. There's also Wealthsimple Premium, an additional tier that unlocks features like personalized financial advice and analyst ratings. This service comes with a $10 monthly fee after a 30-day trial. So, to summarize: Wealthsimple Cash, no monthly fees. Wealthsimple Trade, CAD, no monthly fees, commission per trade. Wealthsimple Invest, annual management fee deducted monthly, 0.50% to 0.70%. Wealthsimple Premium, $10 monthly fee after 30-day trial. Remember, these fees can add up, so it's crucial to understand the cost structure before diving in. The bottom line: Wealthsimple offers a variety of features with different fee structures. There are options for those who want to be actively involved in trading and those who prefer a hands-off approach. Choosing the right option depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Remember, do your research, compare fees, and make sure the platform aligns with your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.